whoa, it's enough. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Wait, you gotta add some chili. You gotta put mustard. Like, mustard makes this thing.
Bro.
Okay, buddy. Underwear?
What you supposed to wear every day?
Underwear? No.
Right.
She's fine. Gotta have the mustard.
Bro, stop.
Wait, more mustard. Hot sauce. Buddy. This is gonna be the best thing you ever had.
And you got all them condiments on it. You don't need them condiments. Need mustard? Oh, you already messed it up. Like girls that be drinking all day.
Show our glizzies.
Okay.
Mine's better. Cheers.
Yeah.
Ha.
Come on. Mad flavorful. I like the way the chili kind of sweet, like barbecue sauce.
It's like meat on meat. So we got ground beef on the hot one.
A 9 out of 10. Definitely 9 out of 10.